All right, WMC, this is a video to find the winner of my Giannis 11x14 photo. So we'll check the time, June 11th at 9:56 p.m. We're going to go over to the raffle and type live. We have June 11th at 9:56 p.m. There is the list of our 10 entries, including our mini spots. I'm just going to randomize your names, and then whoever's on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. That's not going to work. 10 times. Here we go. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Zachary. Spot 8 is your winner. So Zachary, please message me to collect your Giannis. There is our verification code, our timestamp, once again, June 11th, 9:57 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.